It is literally a hazard where a child could die. You don't leave a store like that. I'm flying to the danger zone. I'm in the twilight zone. Here we go, Freddy. Here we go, Freddy. Freddy.
Freddy?
Alfredo.
Hello.
Freddy, how you doing?
I'm doing fine.
Excellent. Excellent. Freddy, my name
What's up, DeVito?
My name is Danny.
How's it doing, Danny?
Great. Never better. I would like to lease some space from you here.
What's that? Hang on, let me get off where I am. I got a lot of noise here. Okay, what'd you say?
I want to rent some space from you at your building here.
Well, I'm not renting nothing, though. I'm selling the place. I'm just decided to, I talked to my wife. I said, I'm going to get rid of this place now because I'm too busy. I work for the state and I'm real busy.
So imagine this. First, sure. We'll drill this down. First of all, you're too busy to run a business, maybe, but not too busy to be a landlord. Are we talking about the coin laundry?
Yeah, the coin laundry.
Sure.
Yeah.
Okay. I want to make sure, first of all, that we're talking about the same building. So, Freddy, if I take over this lease, bro, I'm going to give you a rent check for the next 15 years. I'm going to take all the equipment and throw it away. I'm going to retool it. I'm going to put all new equipment in. I'll leave it Freddy's Laundromat. I don't care about the name. And we're going to have the parking lot.
When you decide to leave and stuff, and I don't want to go through court and be fighting people because of this and that. So it's the reason I'd rather just sell the place and get it over with.
Hey, Freddy, I've got 36 laundromats in Texas, New Mexico, and Arizona. So you're telling me that I'm going to fail?
No, I didn't.
But I've got enough money in my other...
No, I'm not telling you you're going to fail, but it's just, I don't want to experience something like that. No, I'm not saying you're going to fail.
Collecting a rent check. You don't want to experience collecting a rent check. Okay.
That or going through legal procedures where something happens, and you know how it is.
No, I don't.
Stuff, so
I know how it happens. Freddy, you have a failed laundromat. This place is and you're telling me that anybody else who tries to run it is going to turn it into a I'm not. I'm going to put 300, 400.
It's not a for me. It's pretty. It's making money for me anyway, so I don't know what you're insinuating to.
This isn't because you were wounded, is it?
Oh, I'm not trying to hurt your feelings. You got 25-year-old equipment. You've got a space where kids can. You've got a space where children can go in and get electrocuted and murdered. You can't put a top loader in where a 40-pounder used to be. Let me keep going. You have a lovely bank of tumblers, the dryers that you've replaced, but you've already told me you don't want to do it. You don't want to become a landlord. I will call you back in 365 days.
Yeah, I'll be right back.
And I guarantee that you won't have sold this building. In 1 year, you will not have sold the building. What was my name?
Danny DeVito.
Hi, I'm Danny DeVito.
Danny DeVito.
Well, you know what, Danny? Well, Danny D. Anyway. Well, you know, whether I not sell it or not, it's been paid 16 years ago, so I don't really give a okay?
Okay. You don't want to deal with somebody that's going to give you a rent check. You're a high roller.
No.
You're a high roller.
Yeah, I am. I've been in business for 38 years, buddy, and I flipped 40 homes in my lifetime.
Oh, my, hold on. Can you hear this? Can you hear this?
Yeah.
Did I hurt your feelings, bud? Because you're not a businessman if you have feelings.
No, because you know what? You just got to know how to talk to people. And
it's got your name on it.
Well, yeah.
Go paint over Freddy.
You know what? The good thing is...
Go paint over Freddy.
I own it and you don't. Okay? That's my...
Freddie, just buy a can of kilts and get on a ladder and paint over Freddy's. Just get rid of that, and then you won't feel so bad.
Oh, no. No, that's okay.
Hold on, let me ask Siri.
You buy me the paint and I'll do it.
I'm a couple blocks... I will. I'm a couple blocks away. Hold on. Hey, Siri, where are the laundromats?
Come on, let me meet you,
hey,
man.
Siri, where are the laundromats near me? Oh, nothing comes up because you don't advertise, Freddie.
Is that absolutely necessary?
No, I don't have it. I don't need to advertise, buddy.
Wow.
You know, I got this building for you. It's not
That's
your
amazing.
business,
You're so good at running that laundromat that you don't even need to
I don't need to
advertise.
advertise.
Do you hear
No,
the words?
this
Do you
is
hear
my
the
relaxed
words? Do you
place.
hear the words coming out of your mouth, bro?
You understand the words that are coming out of my mouth?
Yeah.
Do you hear the words coming out of your mouth? You're doing so good, you don't need to advertise. Uh-huh.
I don't need to advertise, buddy. I don't.
Did I hurt your feelings and you're upset? I will call you back in 1 year.
No, I'm not upset.
I'll call you back in a year.
All right, and
you will not have sold this building.
Things going to be no anyway, okay?
You will not have. Oh, that's fine. That's fine. You will not have sold this building because no one's going to.
Have a nice day, DeVito. Okay? Have a good day, buddy.
Alfredo, I appreciate the conversation. Good luck to you.
Wow, he like stayed on even after you said goodbye. He hadn't hung up yet.
Correct. I like him.
He wanted to listen to everything.
He's a lot of fun. Places. It is literally a hazard where a child could die. You don't leave a store like that. He's going to tell me, no, I know what I'm doing, etc., so on. All right. Set your calendar for a year. No joke.
Okay.
We will call him back in a year. You took good notes. Remind me of the conversation, and we'll hit him up in a year.
Well, hopefully we'll get the other one, because then if we get
you're going to have 3 stores at once. Don't worry about it. No, you'll crush him. You get the other store and watch what happens to Fast Freddy's Laundromat. Sorry, buddy.
Yeah, I know. I see what goes on when somebody takes over and actually does it right. So.
All right, bye.
All right, Danny.
Thanks.
Thanks. Bye.
I'm pretty sure this hot water heater's got a few more good years left in it.